We all love the holidays, the family gatherings, the traditions, the chance to finally slow down. But step inside an airport in late November or December, and it's a whole different story. Crowds spilling into security lines, gate areas packed shoulder to shoulder, and flights running late before you even board. Here's the truth. If you're 65 or older, you don't have to suffer through the holiday chaos. There are 11 hidden perks, from free seat upgrades to skipping lines entirely, that airlines would rather you never discover. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on every single one. Number 1. Priority rebooking during weather chaos. Here's what airlines desperately hope you'll never figure out when winter storms wreck holiday travel plans. During those massive weather cancellations that strand thousands of passengers, carriers operate a hidden priority rebooking system specifically for senior travelers, but they won't mention it unless you demand it by name. Federal rules mandate airlines provide enhanced assistance to anyone 65 or older during flight disruptions. That means priority placement on the next available flight, including flights on competing airlines. Everyone else stands in those hellish rebooking queues for days while you could be confirmed within hours. Last Thanksgiving, Delta processed priority rebooking for over 15,000 seniors, exclusively the ones who knew to ask. Pro tip: the moment your holiday flight gets canceled, tell that agent, "I'm 65 and I need priority rebooking assistance under federal accessibility requirements." Think that's sneaky? The boarding games get even worse. Number 2. Secret holiday pre-boarding for seniors. Ready for something that'll really make your blood boil? Airlines are selling priority boarding upgrades during peak season for $15 to $25 per flight. Here's the truth they're hiding. Anyone 65 or older already qualifies for pre-boarding at zero cost, even during the craziest holiday travel days. Federal aviation regulations require carriers to offer pre-boarding for any passenger needing extra time or assistance. Hitting age 65 automatically qualifies you, but airlines make millions by staying silent about this during holidays when boarding becomes an absolute zoo. The math they hope you never calculate. 2 senior travelers buying priority boarding for a holiday round trip spend $100 to $200 on something they're entitled to receive free. Insider move. Walk up to that gate agent and clearly state, "I'm over 65 and I require pre-boarding assistance." Never wait for them to volunteer this information. Now here's where the real money-saving secrets begin. Number 3. Hidden holiday seat upgrades. Here's what carriers are praying you don't discover about holiday seating. While they're charging top dollar for extra legroom and aisle seats during peak season, seniors have access to complimentary seat upgrades that airlines keep completely buried. Airlines hold back premium economy and exit row seats for last-minute assignment to seniors requesting assistance. During holiday travel, when these seats command 50 to 150 premiums, you could snag them free just by mentioning mobility concerns or needing aisle access. Here's the kicker. No doctor's note required. No official disability needed. Simply mentioning you struggle with extended sitting qualifies you for these premium seats at zero charge. Last Christmas week, American upgraded over 8,000 senior passengers to premium seats. Only those who asked. Pro tip: during online check-in or at the airport counter, tell them, "I'm a senior traveler requiring seating assistance due to mobility considerations." But wait, there's more to this story. Number 4. Free medical device transport. Here's what most senior travelers completely miss about holiday packing, and what airlines are desperate to hide during peak baggage fee season. Every medical device and mobility item flies completely free, even during holidays when carriers charge maximum baggage fees. The secret they're counting on you missing? Medical equipment covers way more than wheelchairs and oxygen concentrators. Walking canes, compression socks, medication organizers, blood pressure monitors, heating pads, and even specialized travel neck pillows all qualify as medical necessities. During holiday travel, when airlines charge $60 to $100 per checked bag, seniors could save hundreds by correctly declaring medical equipment. 2 senior travelers with mobility aids could fly everything free, while others pay premium rates. Insider move. Show up early and clearly state, "I'm traveling with medical equipment that flies free under ADA regulations." And speaking of saving money, wait until you see the meal voucher loophole. By the way, if you're getting value from these insider secrets, it costs you nothing to help us out. Just hit that like button and subscribe. Quick and easy. We share new travel tips every week, and the next game-changing secret is coming up right now. Number 5. Holiday delay meal vouchers. Here's what I uncovered. Investigating holiday delay policies, and what airlines pray you never compare during peak season disruptions. When flights get delayed during holiday travel, seniors automatically qualify for enhanced meal vouchers worth significantly more than regular passenger compensation. Airlines operate under separate delay compensation policies for passengers requiring additional assistance. Regular travelers might score a $12 food voucher after a 3-hour delay, while seniors requesting assistance typically receive $25 to $40 vouchers, plus priority lounge access during extended delays. These upgraded voucher amounts appear nowhere in official policies. Gate agents have discretion to provide enhanced compensation, but they're never required to offer it proactively. During last December's disruption, Southwest distributed enhanced meal vouchers to over 12,000 seniors, only those who requested assistance. Pro tip: during any delay exceeding 2 hours, tell agents, "I'm a senior passenger requiring assistance with meal arrangements due to medical dietary requirements." Ready to skip the security nightmare entirely? Number 6. TSA holiday screening shortcuts. Here's what TSA is counting on seniors missing during holiday security nightmares. Any passenger 75 or older automatically qualifies for expedited screening procedures, even without TSA pre-check. But they don't advertise this during peak travel chaos. TSA's buried senior policy allows travelers 75 plus to keep shoes and light jackets on, leave laptops in bags, and access shorter screening lanes. During holiday travel, when standard security lines stretch for hours, this could save you 45 to 60 minutes of standing and physical exhaustion. TSA officers get minimal training about senior accommodations. During holiday rushes, they're laser-focused on moving lines fast, not identifying qualifying passengers. The profit connection? TSA pre-check enrollment spikes during holidays because seniors don't realize they already qualify for many identical benefits free. Insider move. At security, directly tell officers, "I'm 75 and I qualify for senior screening procedures." Never assume they'll notice your age. Think that covers security perks? Here's what they really keep quiet. Number 7. Family Gate Pass access. Here's something that blindsides senior travelers during holiday family visits, and what airports desperately hope you never discover when their parking and shuttle services are generating maximum revenue. Senior travelers can request free gate passes, allowing family members to escort them through security directly to the gate. Even during peak holiday restrictions, airlines operate under federal guidelines mandating reasonable accommodations for passengers needing assistance. Family escorts qualify as accommodation, but airports prefer selling expensive parking and premium services over advertising free gate passes. The nightmare they're banking on: you're traveling solo during busy holiday periods, wrestling with luggage and terminal navigation, while your adult children pay $40 to $60 for airport parking plus shuttle fees. They could have completely avoided it. Pro tip: call your airline 24 to 48 hours before departure, and request escort gate passes for family members citing age-related mobility requirements. Now here's where most travelers slip up. Number 8. Hidden weather delay hotels. Here's what airlines are counting on you getting wrong during holiday weather disasters. And these policies could save you hundreds during peak season hotel shortages. When weather cancellations strand you overnight, airlines provide enhanced hotel accommodations for senior passengers, but they'll only deliver these upgrades if you specifically demand assistance. Standard policy gives passengers hotel vouchers for basic properties during weather delays. The hidden senior policy provides upgraded accommodations at higher quality hotels with shuttle service, typically at properties much closer to airports. Airlines structured this system knowing most seniors won't advocate for themselves during holiday chaos. While younger travelers might sleep in airports or accept basic lodging, airlines recognize seniors require more comfortable arrangements, but they profit by forcing you to ask first. Insider move. During weather delays requiring overnight stays, tell agents, "I'm a senior traveler requiring assistance with appropriate hotel accommodations." And speaking of preventing disasters, here's the medication secret. Number 9. Prescription medication priority. Here's what catches senior holiday travelers off guard, and what airlines hope you never discover until you're already stranded somewhere. When flights cancel during holiday travel, airlines maintain priority systems for passengers traveling with time-sensitive medications, including expedited rebooking and specialized baggage handling. The buried benefit? Airlines will coordinate with destination pharmacies to guarantee medication availability if your prescriptions get delayed with canceled luggage. This service exists specifically for senior travelers, but airlines don't mention it during holidays when customer service is drowning. During the last Christmas's disruptions, Delta coordinated pharmacy services for over 3,000 senior passengers with medication requirements. But only travelers who specifically disclose their medical travel needs receive this assistance. Pro tip: when booking holiday travel, notify airlines about prescription medication schedules and request notation in your reservation for priority assistance. But that's just the beginning. Wait until you see the connection secret. Number 10. Complimentary wheelchair connections. Here's what the airline industry doesn't want you to realize about holiday connections and what could prevent you from missing flights during peak travel chaos. Airlines provide complimentary wheelchair service for senior passengers during connections, even if you don't regularly use mobility assistance. The insider secret? Wheelchair assistance includes golf cart transport between distant gates, priority security screening, and escort services through packed terminals. During holiday travel, when connection times are razor thin and terminals are absolute madness, this service virtually guarantees you'll make your flights. Airlines count on seniors feeling awkward requesting wheelchair assistance they don't technically need. But federal regulations define assistance broadly. Difficulty walking, extended distances, carrying heavy bags, or navigating crowded terminals all qualify. Missing a connection during holiday travel could cost you hundreds in rebooking fees. Insider move. Request wheelchair assistance for terminal navigation and connection support when booking multi-leg holiday trips. Number 11. Holiday companion fare discounts. Here's the final secret airlines absolutely don't want you uncovering during peak holiday pricing. Many carriers offer hidden companion discounts when seniors travel with younger family members during holidays. But these fares never show up on booking websites. The trap? Airlines advertise their highest holiday fares online while keeping discounted companion rates available exclusively through phone reservations. When a senior travels with adult children or grandchildren during Thanksgiving or Christmas, many airlines provide 10 to 25% discounts on additional tickets. British Airways gives ARP members up to $200 off companion fares during holiday travel. American Airlines offers companion discounts on select holiday routes for passengers 65 plus, but only when booking directly through their senior reservations line. Pro tip: always call airlines directly for holiday bookings, and specifically ask about senior companion travel discounts. These rates never appear online. Don't let airlines profit from keeping you in the dark about services you're legally entitled to use.